Shut up, fool.
Bruh. Bruh.
I'm Craig Burns, and this is my bike check. I have a DK Helio frame, and I'm also running S&N foo bars with a Wise headset, and I have stock DK forks. And I have Colt butter pegs, Eastern rims on both sides, Colt van tires, and gum with a reflective sidewall. I also have the clap pedals. I need to get new ones. And I also have Wise cranks. I don't know how big they are, but they're alright. And I also have a Sunday Knox guard sprocket, and standard DK full length chain. Also a Wise pivotal seat post and a DK standard seat, and ODI grips and ODI bar ends. So I mean, it's solid. I've had it for over a year now. It's lasted. It's solid. Doesn't make no noise. I like it a lot. So, I mean, it's great.